Hello everyone, welcome back to Clean Fuel Fitness. Today we are diving into Naked Vanilla Whey Protein, just 3 simple ingredients, grass-fed, no additives. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Naked Nutrition prides itself on transparency. Their vanilla whey contains only grass-fed whey protein from small US dairy farms, natural vanilla flavor, and organic coconut sugar, nothing else. The cows are non-GMO, free-roaming, and never given RBST or RBGH hormones. Naked Nutrition. The protein is cold processed, no acids, bleach, or chemical detergents, helping to retain natural amino acids and glutathione. Each 30-gram scoop delivers 25 grams of protein, around 150 calories, 5g sugar, 8g carbs, and about 5.9g of BCAAs. Naked Nutrition, a great macronutrient profile for muscle recovery or as a protein-rich snack. I use water and a shaker, mixes clean with little foam. The vanilla is subtle, smooth, not overly sweet. This vanilla powder is versatile. Try it in a berry smoothie with oat milk, blend into pancakes, stir into oatmeal, or even bake protein muffins. Naked Whey is consistently highlighted by nutrition experts and quality rankings for its minimal ingredients and purity. If you want a clean, honest, grass-fed vanilla whey with no artificial ingredients, Naked Vanilla Whey is hard to beat. It supports muscle recovery, has transparent sourcing, and is highly rated by real users and nutritionists alike. Want to try it? Check out the link below. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more honest reviews. Stay clean, stay fueled.